Hi everyone, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete blanks in Excel. So this will be useful for you whenever you are working with Excel and then you have this blank. You have these blanks and then you have to go one after the other to delete these blanks, things like this. Delete, then you move to the next one, you delete these blanks, you delete the next one, so that will be time consuming for you. So this way, this solution will help you to speed up your analysis and then to clean your data easily and faster. So this is what I'm going to do. Right, so select all your data from the beginning down to the very last one, right? And this is done. Well, I will have done Control A, but Control A will not select everything because we have some blanks. All right, so we have this. Okay, so this is what we need to do. I want you to move to. I want you to press Control G, right? But if you can't press Control G, I want you to move to Editing and then click on Select and Find, right? Then go to right, and then click on Special, right? So then click on Blanks, right? Then click OK. Right, so all the blanks have been selected, right? So you see blanks in dark gray, right? So once this is done, okay, so I want you to go to your home tab, right? And go to cells. So under this cells, I want you to click on this, right? You will see that the blanks that we have, they are in rows, right? So I'm going to click delete sheet rows, right? So this means I want to delete blanks that are rows. If they are in columns, then I will have deleted blanks that are in columns, right? So here I'm deleting blanks in rows, right? So this is done, right? So I have my data in one piece without having to go through that process, right? Um, all right, so that is faster, and that is how you can clean your data in Excel. I mean, that is how you can. So this process is faster. That is how you can delete all blanks in Excel without doing it individually, and then which is time consuming, right? All right, guys. So let me show you one thing though. So okay, so this is under data, right? And then we have. All right, so let me show you another thing. Okay, so this is the same data. However, I want to show you that we have some columns here. You see, we have some columns here, right? So if you go ahead to delete all blanks without considering this ones, it's going to delete this entire row, right? And if this entire row is deleted, that means you are going to lose all this data, and which could be relevant in your analysis. Although whenever you're working with data and then some of your rows are not complete, probably because that data is either you remove them completely and then focus on what you have, or find a way to fill them up, right? Okay, but in this scenario, what we're going to do, because some of this data could be useful probably when we are doing a kind of visualization or something. So what I want you to do right now is that I want you to click everything, yeah, Control A, right? So Control A will not select your data like I entered initially. So I want you to, so this will not work. So what I want you to do, select right from here, then straight to the very last one. Yeah, this is done. Then Control G, then go to Special, right? Then click on blanks, right? Okay, okay. So this is done. Now what I'm going to do, I won't delete all rows. If I delete all rows or columns, everything will be gone because I want this data to be retained. Then I'm going to press Control, then click on select this, deselect this, deselect this, deselect this, and deselect everything I want to deselect, right? Okay, so right here, so I want this to be deselected, right? Okay, so this is done. Then I will go to my cells under the home tab, then go to delete, then delete all rows, and voila. So okay, so I retain all these empty columns and I still have everything that I need here. So that is how you basically delete cells in Excel. If you don't need all these columns, probably because some columns are missing and if that data is not useful for you in your analysis, then you can delete everything once and then have a complete data set. right, that is clean. All right guys, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's make this channel reach 2000 this April. Thank you so much guys. I will see you in the next video.